told you, and you ain't supposed to. Now you in yourself, cause look at me, look at me. You made me. Hate in your heart, I got you sick, huh? Poppin' looking like a big dub. Everybody digging what you should have been done.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? As y'all can tell by the title, man, today we're about to be heading to our boy Paradox and we're about to be picking up the C5. If you guys know, then you know. The C5 is all done, freshly wrapped up with the new livery on there. New, but with an old twist, or should I say, old livery with a new twist. So yeah, we're picking up the C5 today. I'm also probably gonna be going live while I'm over there because I'm gonna be over there for a while. We're gonna be chilling. It's hot as hell today, so we're gonna go swimming and shit. I'm bringing the girls and we're just about to have a chill, relaxed day, but you guys are gonna be seeing the C5. It's been a minute since it's been on the channel. It's been gone for about 2 weeks or so, but now it is all done and we finally get my baby back. So with that being said, let me clean off this lens first because it's looking a little dusty on there. You'll see me? We looking good? Okay. Let's open up this garage door cold start. And then we out to get the C-Fizzle. Whoa. Kaya.
Hi.
You ready to go swimming? You go swimming? Pupaduka. You ready to go swimming? You ready to go swimming, mamas?
Yes,
Go swimming. Y'all see the beautiful scenery, the luscious greenness. That just means we're at Paradox's. So we went and bought some meat and stuff because we're gonna be barbecuing. We get in this pool. But the reason why y'all are here is to see the C5. And here it is, all covered up, ready to be unveiled so you guys can see the new look. I can't see it. It's all covered. We gotta wait for P-Docs to get out here. What's that, baby? What's underneath here? Yeah, scar. Also need to grab this because this little guy's also gonna be going to Paradox's. Giving him my old G35 84R that was on the swing stang, or not the swing stang, it was on the green coupe. So I have no use for it. Paradox wants to possibly put it on his RB. So this is gonna be for him. You're getting fat, bro. What's going on?
Getting fat. Gotta do a workout. Gotta be like
Getting too much. You're getting too much money.
All right. This thing's ready. More fat and more bald. But
right?
I gotta go to Turkey.
Turn into Junior.
And then go to Korea, get that BBL. Like,
the buffness.
you know, like they put the fake abs on you.
Bro, you really got a gut. This nigga fat now.
So like,
What's up, fool? What's cracking with you?
chilling.
Why you didn't tell us fool he's getting fat? Why you ain't like been notifying him?
What? Telling he's getting fat?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't see that shit.
You live here. You see that shit?
Yeah, but like when you live with somebody, you don't see the growth over time. It's when you're gone and then you come back. That's when you see.
I ain't been gone that long. You must have been eating good the last like month.
All right, we're gonna do some sit-ups today.
Oh my God, it's hot out here, bro.
Okay, you guys ready?
What are you doing? Get over here. Get my babies over here.
Mike's here. So we're ready to reveal the new Then What. Okay, so this is
Old but new but old.
yeah,
Old with a new twist.
we'll do it a little bit different this time. So, but this thing looks dope though.
Instead of saying then what, it says now what. Nah.
We could have changed it to that.
We're gonna change it to whatever.
Wyatt's gonna pull this right now. Are you ready?
Yo, look, baby. Look, Daddy's car. Woo! This looks good. It looks fucking good.
Hella good, right?
It does. And I try not to watch the TikToks too much. So I was like, I want to just see it. Nah, this looks good. Yep.
The white to black fade. Sick.
This black almost looks like it has like gold hint to it.
Yeah, it kind of does, huh?
Yeah, it's Daddy's car. This looks hella good.
Yeah, because the way you have to cut it out, you do see some red in there. Otherwise, you break up the pattern. See, you can't do it in a separate piece.
No, I don't care. I don't care about the red being shown.
Yeah.
It's a red car, and it has red accents on it.
I think I like that. You know,
It's cool. It was cool when we were doing the door handle too. We had the red right in here. It flows good with these red X's too.
Yeah, nah.
It matches. So that's
It looks
like,
good.
Even the inside, yeah.
the back. I don't know. You want carbon or you like the red look? But these don't come out.
They do. It's just a pain in the ass to get them out. This whole back section has to come off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you got to get your hand in there. It has wing nuts on them.
Well,
Nah, this looks good.
I mean, I could do it in carbon. It might not be as clean because I can't get in there. Usually these would come off.
Looks good.
Hey, on this side right here, I was able to match it up with the X. So I do have to do a seam right here, and then I was able to match it up but on the other side, due to the way you have to stretch it, it doesn't line up. Oh yeah, no. This X is actually cut out, so
Oh, yeah.
it's not part of this back piece because you have to like piece it together. So I just manually cut this out, so it's kind of like on there. But you can peel it off if you don't like it. It's hard to tell.
Nah, this looks good. With the little faded red dots. This looks good. You can't even tell like the difference in the roof on how you did it, really.
Yeah, I mean, what they gave us is a Targa print, right? So
Yeah.
what I could do is order a new piece. I tried to stretch it, so it did have a little bit of discoloration right here, because it only comes up to here. So in order to make this whole thing work, you have to stretch it a little bit. And on a printer wrap, if you try to stretch it a little too much, it does have some discoloration. So what we're gonna do is, if you want, we can just reorder this piece as a fade, because we want to go from that to that, so it needs to be like a 6 foot.
It is fine. Looks good to me.
Sure?
No,
We'll leave it as it is.
this looks good. Looks damn good. Bro, I swear the black looks like root beer.
Yeah, kind of.
yeah.
It does. It looks hella like root beer.
Brown from the reflection in the sun, yeah.
I like it. It looks good.
Classic design.
What do you think? All right, so here it is. This is gonna be the roll for the SC300. You can see this shit got like shadow skulls and shit in it.
Details. So you want me to unroll it real quick?
Yeah, let's unroll a little bit of it. Look at that, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see, let me. Yeah, there we go.
He's calling me crazy.
This one's gonna be dope.
Is that green right?
Yup.
That's right?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
It's gonna match my harnesses.
Detail on this. God damn. Dude, I think it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, the dude I ordered the design from did a good ass job. He has hella detail in his work. So for those that want to see what it's gonna look like, here's an idea on kind of what it's gonna be like. It's gonna be something like that. That should be coming here in the next probably 2 weeks. Yeah, we have a Mexican day here, boy.
We barbecuing.
This is all from the Mexican supermarket.
Okay.
Got their seasoned meat,
Oh, they pre-seasoned it?
guacamole. It's hella good. It's like marinated.
I want to do a full vlog, huh?
Yeah, we chilling today.
Let's go.
We're gonna make Nita cook also.
Oh, really?
Why?
What do you mean?
I don't know if he's a girl.
Yeah, you do.
I'll turn it on for you. Don't worry.
Come on, go baby. Come on. Go, Nelly. Go, 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 go. Let's go swimming. Ooh. Couple hours went by. Just got done swimming. Maneli, you have fun? Where you going? Get away from the water. Come on, let's go bye-bye. Come on, let's go. Bye-bye. Maneli. Bye. Bye-bye. Stepping on leaves. Alright, another look at the beautiful LS7C5. Now that we ain't got a bunch of overcast or a bunch of sun, y'all can get a better look at this thing. It looks fucking good. I wonder if this will have a better look if I put the 5-spoke wheels back on with the red stripe. What y'all think? Or leave these wheels? Either way, this looks really fucking good. I fucks with it. Heavy. What do you think? Y'all think this looks better on the C5 or did it look better on the C6? So the difference between this one on this car and the C6 is, remember the C6 had more of a gray to black fade, whereas this has the white to gray to black. So the C6 didn't have the white on the front, and I think the white was a good little addition. What's that?
I want to put some black here, or you want to leave it red?
One side's black, one side's red, it don't matter. It ain't bothering me. I don't mind the contrast.
If you want to put black, then I'll cut a piece of black and stick it right here.
Nah, we can probably leave it like that for now.
Okay, let me clean it up on this.
Y'all ain't heard this thing in a minute. Whose car, Kaya? Whose car is this? Whose car?
Daddy's car.
Yes, Daddy's car. Vroom. Here you go, my cameraman.
Double fisting this thing. Alright, if you guys want to order this color, make sure you go onto the website, paradoxstyling.com. Okay? Use the discount code Mike. Pick out a color, pick out a design. Every discount code you use using Mike's name, he also gets a little commission. So hook him up. Use the code Mike, paradoxstyling.com. Order the Then What wrap. Pick any color combination you want, and then you can be like him.
It's on there. Y'all can get it. Y'all can get the file.
Yeah, you can be like Mike. Give him how much you charging for the rice to use this?
They can have it. It's already on the website.
Extra $100.
You know, my other one I have, the one that's going on the SE, and then the other two, remember I had paid for, you know.
Yeah.
We'll sell those, you know, 50 bucks each.
50 bucks.
Wants it, you know?
All right, 50 bucks for the right to use the Then What. Okay? Venmo it to him. So clean. Look at that. All right, one more.
That's this car.
You daily drive this?
Yes, this is the everyday car. Literally, the daily.
Sick. Yeah, it looks good with the red interior for sure. With the matching axes.
I need it. This is supposed to be a darker red leather, but they sent me this shit. It's supposed to be a little bit darker.
They gonna send you a new one?
No, I was like, whatever. It matches the shifter.
That's true. It kind of matches the seats a little bit.
Yeah, I might change the seats to back to black and red though.
Okay.
boy Josh would be sitting in them, and now they got all dirty.
Hey, I'll donate to the Paradox.
What these?
Yeah. I need seat rails though, right?
You just need the whatever car you're trying to put them in. You'll just need the seat mounts. They come with sliders already.
All right, but maybe we'll buy it from Mike. Let me know if you get extra seats. I'm down.
It's good.
We gotta walk around here. Oh! Hold up. Yo! Hey, I need me some of these. Dude, that's sick. I like that. We need some of this for the Skyline, you feel me? Right there. Skyline's made for this. Looks really good, bro. This design,
I would do like, you know, sick ass pull down your street, burn it out and shit, but then your neighbors are gonna be.
yeah, they'll be mad.
Yeah, they am.
Don't get my neighbors mad. Oh,
Not that neighbor,
little kid loves
cool
it.
about it.
Yeah, that kid likes it.
His parents want love. Alright, my peeps. I'm just getting to the hood. Pop the hood. I got one thing I want to do real quick before I wrap this up. This thing looks good though. This definitely looks better. I want to say that then what livery looks better on the C5 than it did on the C6. Absolutely love this car. Simple and fucking fire. And this is my only naturally aspirated car. Fast as hell though. Can't even cap. This shit's fast. Alright, let me add my last little thing that I want to do. Baby, what's wrong, mama? What's the matter? Come on. Want to get picked up? Come on. Come on. What mama do to you? Mama did it?
Mama didn't.
Mama did it, huh? Give me a kiss. Where's Kaya?
Car sleep.
She sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Take Naylee in.
I don't know. She could walk. I could walk, Daddy.
Go ahead, go inside, mama. Go, 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 go. Go, mama. Go, mama. Come on. Go, mama.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to